In today's video, we're going to be talking all about time frames and what is the best time frame for you to trade. So enjoy today's video. Today's video is sponsored by Go Markets. Go Markets is a multi-award-winning broker who's regulated by the Financial Service Commission. Myself and the BD members have been using Go Markets for over 7 years now. They go above and beyond to support the BD community and their traders. They offer award-winning customer support, thousands of tradable products, and some of the lowest spreads in the industry. This is perfect if your style of trading is scalping like mine. If you're interested in signing up to Go Markets, please use the link in the description below. Thank you and enjoy today's video. What time frame does the binary destroyer work the best on? The simple answer is all of them. All of the time frames. The binary destroyer works best on all of them. And the reason being is because price is fractional, meaning that support and resistance will work on the 1, 5, 15, 1 hour and daily. Trend lines will work on the 1 hour, 15 and daily. Fibonacci retracement levels, order blocks, SMC, imbalances, harmonic patterns will work on all time frames, okay? Because price is fractional, meaning that on all the time frames, price is exactly the same. The only thing that's different is it's telling you a different story from time frame to time frame, but it's the exact same price on all of the time frames, okay? So to summarize, that everything will work on every single time frame. However, in trading, there are two things or two skills that come down to individual, and that is what time frame you're trading on and trade management. Trading itself is very mechanical. You follow a set of rules, right? A strategy, and if you follow it without emotion, you'll make money like everybody else. But the thing that is different is time frames and trade management. And it's the reason why perhaps some people are doctors and some people are police officers, because everybody has different goals and aspirations. You have different views and opinions, and you will view and see stuff different to me, and it's absolutely normal, okay? I teach thousands of people, right? And some people learn slightly different. Some people like to learn with PDFs, with writing, with examples, with screenshots. Some people like learning with videos, and some people need a more hands-on, personal, one-on-one approach, going over examples on the charts, right? That is normal, okay? So what I'm going to show you in today's video is how we all trade the exact same strategy, okay? But every single member will trade it slightly different. And a very good example of this is, I'll put some pictures up here. I met up with one of our institutional members down in London, okay? And we were having a trading session. We were in the pub for a bit of fun. We had a trading session and we were looking at the 1 minute time frame. And I said, let's play a game. Let's try and predict the next 5 candlesticks on the 1 minute time frame. Every single time I won and he lost. Okay, and the reason being is because I like the 1 minute time frame. I spend most of my time on it. I like fast-paced trading. It suits me as an individual, okay? He doesn't like the 1 minute. It's too stresses him out. Candlesticks move too fast. He doesn't like it. He trades the 1 hour daily, weekly, right? Which is fine. It's the exact same strategy. It's the same rules. But what's different is the time frame and the trade management. Let me give you an example of what I mean, okay? So let's start off. This is today because today's Monday, and we'll just go to let's go to the Mogwai strategy group here. Some BD members taking some trade. 1 to 3. Okay, some trades here. What I wanted to show you here, look. I'm pleased with my trading results from last week, and I'm hopeful that I can replicate them this week. A total of 1,121 pips. Oh, no, net 1,079 pips. And he trades the 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. Now, does that mean that the 1 and 4 hour is better than the 1 minute? No, of course not. Okay, it's down to him. He likes the 1 hour. He likes slow paced trading, and they're like people like myself that like the 1 minute time frame. If we just go to the Mogwai reversal strategy, these are some trades that this is literally right now. Okay, I'll show you the exact trade. See those cells on NZUSD? That is literally just there. Okay, look at that sell on NZUSD. Mogwai signal, pullback, MACD's gone overbought. I entered the trade just here. There we go. I'm just going to write here 1 to 2 hit on NZD USD. You can see some other members took the exact same trade, NZD USD. Again here, thanks for this, a nice 1 to 2. That's on the futures market. Interesting. Ooh, interesting. I wanted to show you as well, let me try and find you here, a tidy nice little 1 to 2 this morning. Again here, Euro Watch, this BD member took Euro JPY. I'm trying to find you some trades. Much SMC, we have a lot of members that trade SMC trading. That, you know, like I said, right, we have all members trading slightly different, but this is the point that I'm trying to explain to you, right? When it comes to trading time frames, it is an individual thing. So let me give you some tips and advice that I would going forward. First of all, if you are learning to trade, I would highly recommend you to spend the most amount of time as you can on the 1 and 5 minute time frame. Okay, the more you spend on the charts, the more and faster you're going to learn. Don't have this idea that you're going to sit and wait for a notification to alert, a signal to happen, and you'll take a trade, because you're not learning anything. So the more you spend on currency pairs, on the charts, the faster you're going to learn. Okay, so if you can, in your early days of learning, focus 1 or 2 hours after work or during the day to trade, right? Understand how the markets work. Once you've done that, you can then go to the higher time frames. So there's a difference between swing trading and scalping. Scalping is when you're trading the lower time frames, the 1, 5 and 15. You're going in and out really fast. Candlesticks move very fast. You'll get lots of setups, which doesn't mean lots of wins. You get lots of wins, lots of losses. The higher time frames, you will get less setups, okay, but it doesn't necessarily mean less money, okay. Like I said, that BD member last week made 1,000 pips, okay, on the 1 and 4 hour time frame, okay. That could be 5%, it could be 10% profit. The point that I'm trying to make is that you need to find a time frame that works for you. So let me tell you exactly what I do going forward. So when I'm trading, I will always trade the 1 minute time frames. What I enjoy, is what I feel comfortable doing, and that's normal, right? If you ask me to trade the 1 hour, I think it'd be like watching paint dry. I hate it, just frustrates me because nothing happens. When I'm trading the 1 minute time frame, I will always look at the 15 and 1 hour as my support and resistance. So we need to do a top-down analysis, okay? So I will always look at the 15 and 1 hour as my support and resistance, and then I will go down to the 1 minute and I'll look for Mogwai signals like this here. So let's just first of all mark up these two setups here. We've got a win here and we've got a win just here, okay? But only one of these is going to be with the trend or against the trend, and one of these is going to be with support and resistance. So let's just what we'll do is we'll go to some naked chart like this here, okay, and we're going to mark up a level just there, okay, and we're going to mark up this here because, like I said, this is where we got the Mogwai signals, and we'll go to the 15. Okay, so on the 15-minute charts, we are literally in a range, okay? Now, would I take these two trades? Of course I would. They're at support and resistance. I've confirmed that on the 15. I've confirmed that on the 1 hour. You can see here we've got, perhaps this is a nice little buy with the trend. That little buy at the bottom just there, riding it up. Beautiful. This sell at the top, slightly against the trend, because you can see on the 1 hour it's in an uptrend. That is it. I go to the 1 minute time frame. I now know, okay, right. So this one here, I had two setups here, there. So we've got obviously 3 back-to-back sells. They would be against the trend. This one here is with the trend, and that is it, right? That's about as simple as it needs to be. But this is the exact same if we were doing the 1 hour time frame, right? If I just look at let's look at the 15. So same again, we're taking our trades on the 15-minute time frame now, okay? So let's look at the 1 hour and 4 hour as our support and resistance, and this is always important. And I said this in another video, anybody that tells you if you cannot see a setup on a certain time frame, go to a different time frame. That is wrong. That is misleading. Do not ever do that, okay? Because trading has to be a set of rules and you have to follow it. So if you don't get a signal, right, I'll give you an example, Mogwai signal on the 15, right, which is the time frame you're trading off, you don't go look for another signal, because then you're searching for setups, which means you're breaking your rules, okay? And this is where I'm going back to how it's an individual thing. Time frames are individual, so you have to find a time frame that you personally feel comfortable doing and then stick at it. Once you've decided, right, I'm going to trade the 15-minute time frame, done, right? Done. There you go. Now I need to then look at the 1 hour and 4 hour. Always a couple of time frames above, just to see what the bigger picture is doing. So I've marked up this level here. Okay, I might have done this earlier with a BD member. So on the 15-minute charts, okay, we have two Mogwai signals. 1, 2. Both of them are a winner. Okay, so let's just go to some naked price action now. Okay, I'm going to mark up these levels. I'm going to go straight to the 1 hour. And if there is a support line here, these would be nice buys off a support level. Okay, let's look at the 1 hour. Oh, beautiful. Okay, this one I'll actually say is an uptrend, because we have, I didn't bring up my charts to draw. I can't, but as you can see here, we have a high, we have a previous high, nice little buy perhaps with the trend. There you go there. That's an individual thing. Like that guy was trading the 1 hour and 4 hour. Okay, it's an individual thing. It's the exact same strategy, but it comes down to you yourself. And it's the same with managing trades, right? If we go to the Mogwai reversal, right? If I show you the Mogwai reversal, why does Michael Austin, who created this strategy, I want to go up here. Here we go here. That was a nice little buy on USD JPY. But Michael Austin, every single trade that he will take, he will always go for 1 to 3. 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. This guy's just started a new prop firm challenge using the Mogwai reversal strategy. Hold on here. Basically, he was saying here, hold on here. Again, 3% made, still higher than the previous high. So what Michael Austin does is he goes for 3%. The exact same strategy, the Mogwai reversal. Nothing's different. The only thing that's different is Michael Austin will go for a 3% take profit. So 1% risk, 3% take profit. The answer is, why will he do that? Because that's what works for him. That's what he enjoys. I won't. I will always go for 1 to 2. And the reason being is because I don't like personally holding my trades. It's an individual thing. Same with time frames. It's an individual thing, right? The more you enjoy trading, the more you're going to get out of it. If you're frustrated and you're angry and you're just confused because you don't get it, then you're in the wrong place. You need to have a positive environment and you need to find something that you are comfortable doing, right? Most of my trades, fact, most of them, and I will show you here just to prove my point, right? NZUSD went to a 1 to 2. Right, I closed it off at a 1 to 1, as you can see here. Another one was, here we go here. Aussie Chef, 1 to 2, right? 1 to 2. Now let's look at both of these setups. Let's look at Aussie Chef first, okay? So where's Aussie Chef? Aussie Chef here, right? There you go there. See that? Right, hold on here. I'll put it here. Look at this here. This was the setup that I took. So look how much, look, I had a 1.9 pip stop loss. I mean, that was pretty extreme. It was actually a 2 pip stop loss. I got 4 pip out of it. But what my point is that trade went to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, went to a 1 to 6. Or 1 to, that would have been 6% done. Thank you very much, right? And then USD, what was it? NZUSD. Look at this one. Right? Look how much this is going down further, right? Now, was I wrong to close the trades off early? Should I have held the trades open? No, because you can always look at stuff in hindsight. You can always look at it and go, well, I should have done this or should have done that, right? But you take that advice, you take that experience and you grow as a trader, right? You are finding your path, your individual path, and you are carving your way to becoming successful, if that makes sense, right? You take the foundations of the strategy, the rules, right? Whoever's teaching you your strategy, and you tweak it and find what works for you. Some members, and I'm not even joking on this, I'm not even joking. I'll end it with this one. There's this member here. Where is it? Where is it? There's a member in this group that literally will only go for like a 1 to 5 minimum on the Mogwai reversal strategy. Minimum 1 to 5, right? Is he wrong in doing that? No, that's just him. He likes holding trades. He's brave. He's confident. And there's nothing wrong with that, right? It's what works for him. It's what he enjoys doing. He likes the big profits, you know, the 6, 7%, 5% made. He likes that. Me, I don't like holding trades for 5%. I'd rather make 2%, get out, take another trade, you know, because it works for me. I like being in trades. I like fast-paced trading. Where did I want to show you that guy? He literally posted it up here. Where is it? This guy smashes it. He just pops out in the middle of nowhere. Literally pops out in the middle of nowhere. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I mean, these are some of the trades. Look at this here, USD CAD. This is last week. I mean, here you go, here, look. 3R. See here? So Michael Austin smashes 3R with the Mogwai reversal strategy. This member here in gold moves stop loss to break even 1 to 1 because that's what he enjoys. That's what works for him. Where did I want to find you that guy? I can't remember. I'm literally, hold on. Here we go here, right? So this member here, look, 5%, 4 wins, 1 loss. So what's that? 4 wins, 1 loss. So he's made 5%, whatever. Today is the end of the trade. So 5% in 1 day, Mogwai reversal strategy. Because for him, that's what he enjoys doing. He's finding that little niche point and took it and rode it. Let me give you one more example here, right? Again, Jerry, right? Look at Jerry. He's literally trading GPUSD, right? He's going for 1-to-1s, right? Is he right? Is he wrong? Should he go for 1-to-1s? Should he go for 1-to-2s, 1-to-3s? He does what he enjoys. He does what he feels comfortable doing. As long as you have the correct level of risk, right, and you're not stupid and reckless, right, and you're not trading without stop losses, right, the way you trade is an individual thing, right? We're all trading the exact same strategy here, but people have different take profit levels. Some people move their stop loss to break even. Some people like going for big take profits. Some people like trading the 1 hour. Some people like trading the 1 minute, okay? And that's just how it is. It's an individual thing, right? And that will never change. So when somebody says to you, right, oh yeah, you should trade the 1 hour time frame, right? You're going to absolutely pull your hair out and you're going to stress yourself out if you don't like the 1 hour, right? And sometimes in trading, I'm going to end this, you have to stand up for yourself and say, no, I like the 1 minute. It's about me and my trading profits, my journey. It's about providing for my family. It's about providing a better life for myself. I'm going to stick at the 1 minute and I'm going to sit there and master it. And that's how it is, right? The only people you should look to up for advice are those who have the results that you have. Because I can tell you right now, I mean, I'm going on a bit now, but I can tell you right now, when I first got into trading, everybody told me not to because it was stupid. And I looked to them and went, what results do you have that I would want to listen to? You work in the warehouse, you're a lorry driver, and you work at McDonald's, right? So what do you have that I possibly want? Nothing, right? So what advice can you give me? You can't give me anything because you don't have anything that I want, right? And that's my point, okay? Listen to the people that are giving you the advice and take it and then adapt it and find what works for you. So that's today's trading with the Mogwai reversal strategy. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Mogwai, the London Open won, smashed it. Hope you enjoyed that video. Like I said, buying sure works best on all time frames, but take what works for you.